Rare books from the 13th and 14th centuries were presented in a book exhibition in Taraz. The event presented a unique collection of works by Khoja Ahmed Yasawi and his followers, which were brought from Turkestan. Rare photos of the mausoleum of the outstanding Turkic philosopher and other historical places of the Holy Land were also presented at the exhibition. The book fair was organized as part of the modernization of Kazakhstan's identity.
Книги в основном написаны рукописно, арабской графикой, куфическим стилем. Это очень редко.
Books were mostly handwritten in the Arabic and Kufic scripts. This is a very rare letter that was used in Central Asia during the Middle Ages. These books were kept in the Khoja Ahmed Yasawi's mausoleum. People used to keep the books for a long time. The museum staff collected these rare books. Meanwhile, the younger generation in eastern Kazakhstan was introduced to the historical and cultural heritage in a theoretical form. They saw the balbals in the regional children and youth library. The stone statue of balbals were discovered by archaeologists in the region. 4 of the stones are located near the Kozi Korpesh and Bayan Sulu mausoleum. The stones were included in the list of 100 holy places in Kazakhstan.
Эта тема очень интересная, неизведанная еще.
This topic is very interesting and hasn't been explored yet. Many people are interested in the origin of the balbal word. It has many definitions. Here in Kazakhstan, the word originates from the Turkic word baba, which means an ancestor or a father.
Осы шараға орай біз мына көрме ұйымдастырып отырмыз, кітап көрмесін.
We also timed the book exhibition to this event. The presented books and magazines tell about these stone sculptures. The uniqueness of this exhibition is that visitors can see the balbals. The stones are like guards, keeping the secrets of the Great Steppe.
Ұлы даланың құпиясын сақтап тұрған күзетшілер іспетті.
The younger generation actively takes part in the revival of national culture projects. The main goal of the modernization of Kazakhstan's identity program is to preserve and educate the spiritual and cultural values.